Good to see you again.
Good to see you again. It's not so long ago.
No, actually, it was
great.
a few months. This is highly symbolic of the triangle, Parliament, Finance and Defense.
Please have a
Thank
seat.
you. Thank you, timing, and thank you very much for this.
But you are always welcome.
Yeah, I was here also for the event in Somalia, but defense and development and trade.
I am impressed.
No, it's
And I hope.
nice to see you again.
Warm welcome to my former colleague now, Federica Mogherini, who is in Denmark now for only, I think, twice in only half a year or something like that.
Right. The European Union is a relevant player, and in Somalia, in the Horn of Africa, in Africa, is the place where we have the majority of our presence on the ground. The majority of our delegations, of our embassies are there. The majority of our aid work is there. And if you look at European Union work and member states work together, we are a superpower. The only point is that sometimes we don't realize it. On Somalia in particular, I think that the situation now is extremely tense, extremely difficult. I've had a conversation today with the president. I think that having them here for these 2 days of conference is extremely helpful to pass a message that they will have to choose their own way. But the way has to be inclusive, and the direction has to be taking the country together in an open and democratic way. And I think it is very important that the European Union is there to pass this message now.
Exactly.
Bye.
Thank you.
And I'll see you next week.
Okay, take care.
Thank you.